the geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence in which we can get the succeeding term by multiplying the previous term to the fixed number called the common ratio. In Tagalog, makukuha natin yung next term kapag minultiply natin yung previous term doon sa fixed number na tinatawag na common ratio. Example tayo. Meron tayong 2, 6, and 18. Meron tayong fixed number. Kapag minultiply natin, makukuha natin yung next term. Dito, makukuha natin yung common ratio na yon, which is sabihin natin R, common ratio. If we're going to divide the second term, so this is our A1, the first term, A2, and A3. Common ratio, A2 divided by A1. So that means, in arithmetic sequence, makukuha natin yung common difference naman doon by subtraction. Dito naman, kay common ratio, makukuha natin siya by division. Next, ito yung tinatawag natin common ratio. Para daw makuha natin next terms, i-multiply lang natin yung common ratio dun sa previous term. So dito, yung R natin, the common ratio is 6 over 2. Yan. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Okay. Kunin natin yung mga next terms. Multiply lang natin. 18 times 3. So, para makuha yan, 18 times 3, that is 8, 16, 24. Carry 2. 3 times 1 plus 2. So, next is 54. So, ito na ngayon si A4. Para makuha si A5, multiply ulit natin si 54 ng 3. So, 54 times 3, that is 12, carry 1, 15 plus 1, 16, 160. 160. What if your teacher asks you, what is the ninth term of the sequence? Ito binigyan natin example kanina. So, nakuha natin hanggang A5. Ano daw si pang ninth term? So, kung sa arithmetic may formula tayo, syempre kay geometric, meron din tayong formula. To get the nth term, we have an is equal to a1 times r raised to n minus 1. An, ito yung hinahanap nating term, the nth term. A1, that means the first term. R is the common ratio. And n, yung hinahanap nating term. So, kunin natin si ninth term gamit yung formula. So, A9, kasi yung hinahanap natin, is equal to A1. Ang A1 natin ay 2. So, i-write natin si 2. Times R. Ang R natin, na-compute kanina, which is 3. 3 raised to n minus 1. That is 9 minus 1. So, 2 times 3 raised to 9 minus 1. That is 8. So, huwag natin kakalimutan yung PEMDAT. So, mauuna muna si exponent bago tayo mag-parentheses. So, multiply natin 2 times 3 raised to 8. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng calculator. O, dun sa iba, hindi sila ina-allow na gumamit ng calculator. O, try natin i-solve mentally. 3 times 3, that is 9, times 3, 27, times 3, 81. So, 81 times 3, so yung pang fifth term natin, 81 times 3, that is 3, 8, 16, 24, 243. Yung pang fifth. Fifth pala. Next, yung A5. Para makuha si A6, times 3 ulit. So, 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4, 12, carry 1. 3 times 2, 6. plus 1, 7, 2, 9. It's 6. Next, A7 tayo, times 3. Para magkuha sa A7, 9 times 3, 27, carry 2. 3 times 2, 6 plus 8 plus 2, 8. Next, 7 times 3, 21. So, 2, 1, 8, 7. So, 8, 7 yan. Times 3 ulit. So, 2, 1, 8, 7 times 3. 7, 14, 21. 1, carry 2. 8, 16, 24, 25, 26. Carry 2. 3 plus 2, 5. And 6. 6, 5, 6, 1. 6, 5, 6, 1. Siya ngayon si 3 raised to 8. Next, 2 times 6, 5, 6, 1. So, multiply natin 6, 5, 6, 1 times 2. So, 2. 6 times 2, 12. Carry 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 6 times 2, 12. So, our A9 is 12,122. Ayun. Pwede din naman natin gamitin yung mano-mano or the manual way. So, i-multiply lang natin ng 3. I-verify natin gamit ang calculator. So, nasa A5 na tayo. 163 times 3 para makuha sa A6. 163 times 3. So, that is 486. 486. Yan ngayon si A6. Next, times 486 times 3. 1458. Ito ngayon si A7. Next, 1458 times 3. 4374. Ito ngayon si A8. At last, times 3. 13,122. Parehas ba? Ay. Nagkamali tayo sa pag-multiply dito. So, may carry tayo dito. 5 times 2. 10. 11. Carry 1. So, 6 times 2. 12. Plus 1. 13. So, 13. Sorry for that. So, ayun. Parehas na naman siya. Si A9. So, isama din natin ang geometric sequence, makukuha yung next term by multiplication or by division. So, ang common ratio, makukuha siya A2, the second term, divided by A1, the first term. So, yun lang si geometric sequence. And now, let's proceed to geometric mean. It is a term between any two terms in geometric sequence. Okay, example tayo. Find the geometric mean between 2 and 8. So, meron tayong formula dyan. We have geometric mean is equal to the square root of the two given term of the sequence. So, ito, 2 and 8. So, 2 times 8. Or, sulat natin siya, square root of A times B. That would be our formula. Multiply natin, 2 times 8, that is 16. Square root of 16, that is 4. So, ganun lang yung geometric mean. Try natin other examples. From the geometric sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32, find the geometric mean between the following first and fifth terms. So, nasan ba si first term? Yan ay 2. At si fifth term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. 30. So, geometric mean is equal to the square root of the two terms. Multiply 2 times 32. Square root of 2 times 32, 64. square root of 64, that is 8. So, madali lang siya. Next, 4th and 10th term. So, hanapin natin si 4th term, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. That is 16. 10th term, kunin natin. Hanapin muna natin si 10th term. Pwede natin gamitin yung formula or mag-multiply na lang tayo ng common ratio dito. So, ang common ratio natin, A2 divided by A1. So, 4 divided by 2. That is 2. So, kunin natin yung next term natin dito. 32 times 2, that is 64. 64 times 2, 128. 128 times 2, that is 256. 256 times 2, 512. Ang ilan na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 512 times 2, that is 1,024. Yan na ngayon yung 10th term natin. 1,024. Now, get the geometric mean. Square root of 16 times 1,024. Multiply natin. 16 times 1,024. So, ano yung product natin? Or, pansinin natin na si 16 ay perfect square number. Ganon din si 1,034. So, kung na natin yung square root nito, pwede natin yung isulat na 16 times square root of 1,024. Square root of 16 times square root of 1,024. Square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 1,024 is 32. So, final answer natin, 4 times 32, that is 128. So, ayan po si geometric mean. And now, let us proceed to geometric series. Geometric series, it is the sum of our geometric sequence. Let us have our first example. What is the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric sequence 1, 3, 9, 27? So, pupunin natin yung sum niya. So, gagamitin natin yung Sm. Sum of the geometric sequence. Now, meron din tayong formula dyan. We have Sn is equal to A1 times R raised to n minus 1 over R minus 1. Wherein A1 is the first term, R is the common ratio, and n is the nth term. So Sn, pupunin natin yung 8th term, so that is S8. Is equal to A1, alam natin yun ay the first term, which is 1. R is the common ratio. Dito, A2 divided by A1, 3 divided by 1, that is 3. N minus 1. Raised to n, that is A. Then term minus 1 all over R natin is 3 minus 1. So since 1 naman ito, pwede natin siyang tanggalin. 3 raised to 8. 3 times 3. 9 times 3. 27 times 3. 81. 81 times 3. 200. So 81 times 3, that is 3. 86, 243. Pang-5. Pang-6. Times 3. 9. 12. Carry 1. 6, 7, 2, 9. Pang-7. Times 3. 27. Carry 2, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 3, 21. Yan. Next, 7, then pang 8 natin, 2, 1, 8, 7 times 3. So we have 1, carry 2, 8, 16, 24, plus 2, 25, 26, carry 2, 3, 5, then 6. 6, 5, 6, 1. Yan, see, 6, 5, 6, 1 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, that is 2. Next, 6, 5, 6, 1 minus 1, that is 6, 5, 6, 0 divided by 2. So, divide natin siya. 6, 5, 6, 0 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. So, 6, bring down 5. 5 divided by 2. So, 2, 4. Subtract 1, then 6. So, 3 to 80. 3 to 80. So, ito na ngayon yung sum ng ating sequence. O, pwede din naman na manu-manuhin natin. So, ang next term natin dito, 27 times 3, 81. 81 times 3, 243. 243 times 3, 729. 729 times 3, 2187. Ang ilan na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 na yan. Kunin natin yung sum niya. So, we need to add. So, i-add natin 2187, 729, 243, 81, 27, 9, 3, and 1. So, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 9 plus 3, 19 plus 1, 20, 27, 27, 36, 36, 37, 30, 39, 40. 40. So, carry 4. So, 4 plus 8, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 2, 28. Carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 2, 12. Then carry 1. 1 plus 2, that is 3. So parehas? Parehas sila. So dalawa yung choice ninyo. Pwedeng mano-mano or you can use the SN formula, the arithmetic, the geometric sequence formula. So iyon si geometric series. And we also have the infinite geometric series. That means ito yung mga geometric sequence na hindi natin basta-basta alam kung saan nag-end. So tuloy-tuloy siya. So we have the formula S infinity is equal to A1 over 1 minus R. Example tayo. What is the sum of the geometric sequence 8, negative 2, 1 half, negative 1 over 8, and the ellipse sign? So, di natin alam kung hanggang saan ba yung sequence na iyan. So, gamitin natin yung ating formula. So, S infinity is equal to ang A1 natin, so given, which is 8, over 1 minus R natin, which is the common ratio. So, hanapin muna natin. So, ang R natin dito sa case na ito is A2, negative 2, over A1, which is 8. 2 divided by 8 can be written in simplest form. So, negative 1, 4. So, minus negative 1, 4. So, 8 over 1, negative times negative, that will become positive 1, 4. So, 8 over 1 plus 1, 4. So, LCD is 4. 4 times 1, 4 plus copy we have 8 over 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. Fraction tayo. So 8 times the reciprocal of the denominator, 4 over 5. So 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 over 5. So ang sum natin dyan ay 32 over 5. Yan ngayon yung sum ng ating infinite geometric sequence. Ang famous example ng geometric series is the pendulum. Familiar kayo doon? Yung gumagano. So example tayo. On the first swing, the length of the arc through which a pendulum swings is 10 decimeter. The length of each successive swing is 2/3 of the preceding term, or preceding swing. Find the total distance it has traveled before coming at rest. So, determine natin kung ano ba yung given natin. So, meron tayo sa first swing niya ay 10 decimeter. So, yung magiging A1 natin. And the length of each successive swing is 2/3. So, ito ngayon yung magiging R natin. So, gamitin natin sa formula. S infinity, A1 is 10 over 1 minus R natin is 2/3. 2 over 3. So, 10 over 3. 3 times 1. 3 minus, copy 2. So, 10 over 3 minus 2, that is 1/3. Copy the numerator times the reciprocal of the denominator, 3 over 1. So, 10 times 3, that is 30. Ang unit natin, dm. So, mag-travel siya ng total ng 30 decimeter bago siya huminto. So, yan ang infinite geometric series. So, tapos na tayo sa lesson 2.